Hi, welcome. I'm Ingrid and I am so glad that you're here today. Whether you are brand new to my channel and this is the first time that you have found me, or if you've been with me for a while. And I'd really appreciate it if you enjoy my channel to subscribe, as well as if you like this video and this journal, if you will hit the like button. Some of you might recognize this journal because I did do a more story-like flip through of it over on the Graphics Fairy channel. I'll have them listed down below in the description box so you can check out that video if you want. But I decided to go ahead and list this journal, and so I wanted to add it onto my page as well. As you can see, it's an accordion style journal, and it's more of an art assemblage than even a junk journal. It's got more artistic and collage elements. For starters, the base of this journal is actually an accordion style booklet that I got from Daiso, and I've built the pages on top of it. I wanted the feel of it to be very like marine-like, and if you've ever seen the movie Ondine, I kind of wanted to channel a little bit of that with the mermaids and that like really sulky looking gray skies and like a fisherman's village. And so I wanted the pages to reflect that grunginess and the like just earthiness of a town like that. I wanted to incorporate materials that maybe you'd find out on the ground or on the fishermen's nets, or maybe even on their clothing. I wanted a lot of distressing and just like kind of rawness found in it. One thing to balance that out was that I added gold leafing to every single page, and I feel like I've said this before in my other videos, but the mix of something that is grungy with something that is sparkly is just such a good balance, and I feel like it works really well here. One of the characteristics that I like the most of junk journals are the flip outs and the flip ups and like all the little nooks and crannies that you can hide writing in. And I love this element here where it just pulls up. It's an added element that you wouldn't expect. I also tried to add a lot of like see-through pages or fabrics and papers that were very thin and you could see through them. I think that mimics water and that it just adds to the feel of the journal. Another thing that I did is I used this brown tape, as you can see throughout, to add to the grunginess. And probably my favorite part about this journal are these letters that I created, and they are part of a memoir of the ship captain. And like I said, I talk more about that in the Graphics Fairy video, and I'm not going to read them so that whoever gets this, it's theirs personally, and if they want to share them with the world, they can, but if not, it's just for them. So I hope that you love this journal and that you want to get it, it's yours. If not, that it inspires you to go out and create something today. Just go, even if you only have 5 minutes, and just make something that makes you happy, and that will make me happy. So thank you so much for joining me, and I can't wait to see you soon for our next video. Until then, bye.